And having won the race for the state's top job, Devendra Fadnavis will take over as the first BJP Chief Minister of Maharashtra on Friday. But his immediate challenge will be to win over his rivals within his own party. All eyes are now on who will get what portfolio. Important portfolios may be set aside for leader of opposition in the outgoing assembly Eknath Khadse, his counterpart in the Legislative Council Vinod Tavre, former state BJP chief Sudhir Mungatwar and the core committee member Pankaja Munde. While the Sena too is eyeing those key posts, the BJP has indicated that the former ally should first join the government and then portfolios can be discussed later. But the indications for now are that the Sena should not expect any of the 4 top portfolios. The Sena, however, also wants a categorical assurance on portfolios before it formally extends support.
का नाम बताइए कि किसने ये कहा है?
आपको इम्पोर्टेंट पोर्टफोलियो जो आप मांग रहे थे वो एश्योर किए जा रहे हैं?
कौन से नेता ने कहा है? आप नाम बताइए। मुझे लगता है कि ये इस प्रकार से कोई गलत न्यूज़ आ रही है।
तो क्या इसका मतलब ये है आपको डेप्यूटी सीएम होम दिया जाएगा?
आप देखते रहिए।
सर, चर्चा किस स्टेज पे पहुंची है? कुछ
चर्चा ठीक चल रही है, हम देखेंगे। लेकिन हाँ, ये जो बाहर की खबरें पे मत जाइए।
सर, आपका मंत्रिमंडल में पदों को लेकर के कोई बातचीत हो
रही है? जरा 21 तारीख को मुख्यमंत्री शपथ लेने वाले हैं, तब तक आप वेट करिए।
सर, बीजेपी को समर्थन दे रहे हैं?
थोड़ा सा आप इंतजार करिए।
Amrita Chedge joins us live from Mumbai for more on the story. Amrita, are we to understand that there are back-channel talks with the Shiv Sena as far as portfolio allocation is concerned, or are talks on deep freeze as far as that issue is concerned till the Sena formally joins the government?
Definitely, now it's up to Shiv Sena whether they want to come with BJP or not, because BJP somewhere asking for the unconditional support from Shiv Sena, but this is very difficult for Shiv Sena to come up with the unconditional support, because the way both the parties before the alliance break, also after the alliance break, also both the parties come together with the ego clashes, with the attitude problems. So basically this is very difficult for Sena to come up with BJP with unconditional support, because what we are getting from our sources that Shiv Sena is demanding for the DCM post and also from the finance department, but BJP has clearly said that we can give only the portfolios after the extension of cabinet. Now on 31st, BJP has decided that the oath taking ceremony will take place and only small cabinet will take oath on that day. Almost 4 to 5 ministers, including the names which are coming forward: Eknath Khadse, Vinod Tavre, Pankaja Munde and Sudhir Mungantiwara, the 4 names which are coming forward for the oath taking ceremony. But after that, now BJP wants that in the extension of cabinet, they will be giving some portfolios to Shiv Sena. Now Shiv Sena will have to decide whether they want to give support to BJP in the conditions given by BJP,
right,
or they want to go with some other decision. The series of meetings are taking place in Matoshri also. Shiv Sena will come up with some decision in this afternoon or evening or by tomorrow. Back to you.
All right, Amrita, thanks very much for getting us those details.